Hey everyone, it's Lindsay with Lead Quizzes. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Facebook Pixel with Lead Quizzes so you can actually track how well your ads are doing on Facebook. So to get started, we're going to go to your Facebook ad account that you have set up. Yours should look something similar to this. Once you're in here, you're going to go to Tools at the top and select Pixels. This is where you'll be able to create your Facebook pixel if you don't already have one created. As you can see in this account, I do not have one created, but this pixel is something that can track a lot of information for me on any website URL that I'm using or anything I'm going to be driving traffic to. So I need to create my pixel. To do that, I'm just going to select Create a Pixel. It'll automatically give me a name, and I can change that name if I want. So once it's done, go ahead and click Create Pixel, and your pixel is already created. So now this number right here, this pixel ID, that's a very important number. That's the number that you're going to be using in the Lead Quizzes software. So I'm going to go ahead and X out of this. And you'll see that this dashboard has kind of changed a little bit. It's telling me that there's no activity on this pixel right now, but I'm going to need this pixel, like I said, for Lead Quizzes. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this number. Go over to my Lead Quizzes quiz that I have set up. And then I'm going to go to the Leads section of the Quiz Builder. When you're on this section, you'll see this right here, the Facebook Pixel ID. That is that number that I just mentioned, and we're going to go ahead and paste that number in this box here now. And then I'm going to hit Save and Create Offer. So once my offer is how I like it, I'll go ahead and click Review and Publish. I'm going to go ahead and publish that quiz. And let's go to that quiz. I'm going to show you where that pixel is located. I have something called Facebook Pixel Helper. So it's this little thing up here. You can see there's nothing there right now, but it's really helpful. It's something you guys might want to install on your browsers so you can see if your pixel is there and working properly. So I'll go ahead and go through my quiz, enter in my information, click Show My Result. And you'll see that this has changed. It's now blue and has a 1. So it's showing that my pixel is there and my pixel is firing. But how do I set that up in Facebook so with my ads it works? So to do that, you're going to go back to Facebook. So you're going to go up to the Tools drop down at the top, select Custom Conversions, and you're going to create a custom conversion. What this conversion will do is it'll go ahead and fire your pixel and let Facebook know that that pixel is there and something is happening they want to happen when you reach a specific event. So when somebody hits your Facebook URL, or when somebody reaches your quiz URL. So go ahead and click Create Custom Conversion. And you're going to go ahead and set this to URL equals and take whatever the URL is that your quiz is on. So for me, I have this one, quiz.leadquizzes.com/Q/RX7BGZ. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that, go back over to Facebook, and paste that in. So once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and choose a category here. The category is what I want Facebook to be tracking when they get there. So in Lead Quizzes instance, it's going to be a lead. So I'm going to go ahead and select a lead and hit Next. I can then go ahead and name my custom conversion. So I'm going to go ahead and name mine Quiz Leads and hit Create. And then you can go ahead and hit Done. So you can see now that there's a custom conversion. So if you're going to be using your Facebook, if you're going to be doing Facebook ads, you want to be able to see if activity is actually happening on your quiz, and you want Facebook to count that as a lead for you so you can see what your cost per conversion is without doing a lot of math. So to make sure that this is set up and working properly, we're going to go back over to our quiz, hit refresh, and go ahead and go through the quiz again. So you'll notice if you go back to Facebook, it has this red little bubble here saying no activity yet. So I'll go ahead and go through the quiz, fill in my information, and you'll see again that pixel did fire here. But if we actually go back to Facebook and hit refresh, you'll see that it's now active. So Facebook is now going to be tracking our leads that get to that point of our quiz. So that's how you set up the Facebook pixel within Lead Quizzes and how you can actually track your leads that are coming through. If you guys ever have any questions, make sure to reach out to us on chat support or in the 100K email group. We're pretty active in there. Hope you guys are having a great day and that the list building is going great. We'll talk to you soon.